Hello, my beautiful butterflies. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be sharing with you an unboxing of my exciting macaroon Labubus. I picked this up at my local Part Mart. I did a reel on my TikTok of me going into the store, so follow me there if you want to see that. I'm hoping for another secret. What y'all think? Let's get this all open for you guys and see if we have a secret in this box. I was so lucky to get one in my Have a Seat collection. So let's see what's in this one. In this collection, we have soy milk, lychee berry, green grape, sea salt coconut, toffee, sesame bean, and we have a 1 in 72 chance of getting the secret, which is chestnut cocoa. Okay, y'all, so let's get this first box opened. It's so satisfying just to rip through this box, you guys. It just brings out that little kid in me. If you know, you know. Oh, yes, they got the bag that I like too. This is also so satisfying to me too, just to rip through that bag instead of that drawstring bag. I really like ripping through this. Oh, let's see what I got, you guys. Look at this. I have toffee. So this collection was released on October of 2023. They are 6.7 inches or 17 centimeters in height. And here is Toffee's card. And they are made out of polyester and PVC. 1 foot has the Part Mart stamping. And then when you take a look at the back, you have the gold clip with Part Mart on one side and the monsters on the other side. And then you have the Part Mart tags hanging from the side. Oh my gosh, you guys, breaking news. I failed this unboxing. Apparently, I need to practice on how to hit that record button after taking a break. But y'all, I'm going to try to redeem myself here. I changed the setup and now I'm going to share my exciting macaroon collection by giving you guys a fashion show, designer edition. So I have them all dressed up. And first modeling today, we have Miss Soy Milk. She's very French inspired, very Chanel. Look at her with her little CC shoes. She has on her little black and white tweed jumper with her matching shawl and her purse on her shoulder. And look at that hat. Look at her little beret. So cute. Again, this is Soy Milk, and here's the card. And next up, modeling for you today, we have Miss Lychee Berry. And look at her. She is ready for her walk today. She has on her multicolored sneakers, along with her multicolored bum bag. And she has on her pink aloe sweatsuit with the hood on the back just in case it rains out there. She can pop that hood on and continue with that walk because getting that exercise is important, y'all. So here is Miss Lychee Berry's card. And next up, modeling for you today, we have Green Grape. And Green Grape decided she is going to have brunch with the girls today and sit down and chit chat. So she is joining them today in her pink and white Miu Miu sweater dress, her beautiful pink shoes, and also her Miu Miu matching hats. And she has her LV watercolor bum bag. Isn't she just cute? Don't you just love a good brunch time with the girls to catch up and chit chat and laugh, have some fun? And here is Green Grape's card. And next up, we have sea salt coconut. Look at that outfit there. And sea salt coconut has on these Gucci sneakers and this Burberry outfit with the matching hat. And all ready to meet up at the library with some book club friends and look at that matching Gucci backpack for all those books. And look at those glasses. Aren't they cute? Here is Sea Salt Coconut's card. And next we have Toffee. And in my Biggie voice, Toffee, y'all, is Gucci down to her socks. Except for she ain't got no socks on. She got on shoes. So she Gucci down to her shoes. She has on this cute little tennis skirt jumper and ain't gonna play a bit of tennis today. But she cute. Look at that beautiful butterfly necklace, and that bow on her head is adorable. And here is Toffee's card. And our last model for today is Sesame Bean. Look at this cute outfit here. So look at those Prada shoes with the Prada overalls and matching hat. Oh my gosh. Let's give it a twirl, Sesame Bean, because you real cute. I'm loving this outfit on you. So here is Sesame Bean's card. So let's give an applause to all our lovely models today. Aren't they just gorgeous? Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed what turned out to be my exciting Macaroons Labubu fashion show. Hopefully, I redeemed myself from the failed unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate all the love. Bye, guys.